Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how it works. The tool we're exploring is called Step AI, and it comes from China. Now, what makes this so exciting is its promise of truly unlimited use. Most AI video tools out there give you a few free credits and then ask for a subscription. Step AI breaks that mold. This could be a massive advantage for creators on a budget, students, or anyone who just wants to experiment with AI video without any financial commitment. I was skeptical at first, but after testing it out, I'm genuinely impressed. Let us get started and see if it is really the best free unlimited AI video generator out there. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to the Step AI website. You'll immediately notice that the entire site is in Chinese, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. Just right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. Your browser will do the rest, making navigation a breeze. Now, the sign-up process is a bit different from what you might be used to. Instead of asking for a Gmail or Google account, Step AI requires a mobile phone number. This is where it gets a little tricky for some of us. When you click on the country code drop-down, you might find that your country isn't listed. But don't give up. I've found a simple workaround. You can use a temporary or virtual phone number service. There are plenty of free websites that provide these. Just search for free temporary phone number, pick one that supports China, and use the number they provide to register on the Step AI site. It's a quick extra step that opens up access for everyone, no matter where you are. Once you've entered your temporary phone number and hit send, you'll need a verification code. Go back to the temporary number website and refresh the page. The SMS with the code from Step AI should appear there within a minute. Just copy that code, paste it back into the Step AI sign-up form, and you're in. It might seem like a bit of a hoop to jump through, but trust me, for unlimited free AI video generation, it's more than worth the 2 minutes it takes. Now that we're all logged in, let's take a look around the platform. Alright, welcome to the Step AI dashboard. Again, if the page reverts to Chinese, just use the translate function. The interface is pretty straightforward. You'll see options for different types of generation, but we're focusing on video today. The main feature we're interested in is image to video. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a big button to upload an image, a text box for your prompt, and some settings to tweak the final output. The layout is clean and user-friendly. Even with the translation, it's designed to be intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. The core process is simple. Upload a picture, describe the motion you want to see, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Before we generate our first video, let's talk about the most crucial part of this whole process, crafting the perfect prompt. The quality of your output depends almost entirely on how well you describe your vision to the AI. So, how do you create a great prompt? This is where another powerful AI tool comes in handy, ChatGPT. You can simply describe the scene and motion you have in your mind to ChatGPT and ask it to write a detailed, descriptive prompt for an AI video generator. For example, instead of just writing "make the car move," you could ask ChatGPT to generate something like a vintage red convertible driving along a scenic coastal highway at sunset with the wind blowing through the driver's hair, ocean waves gently crashing on the shore, and golden light reflecting off the car's polished surface. The more detail, the better. Think about the subject, the action, the environment, the lighting, and even the mood. Using ChatGPT as your prompt assistant will dramatically improve the quality of your generated videos. It helps translate your simple idea into the rich, descriptive language that the AI model understands best. This little trick is a game changer for getting cinematic and dynamic results from tools like Step AI. Now for the exciting part. Let's generate a video together. First, I'm going to upload an image. I've got a cool picture of a futuristic cityscape here. Next, I'll paste in the detailed prompt that I prepared with ChatGPT. My prompt describes drones and flying vehicles zipping between towering skyscrapers with neon lights reflecting off the wet streets below. Once your image is uploaded and your prompt is in, you just hit the Generate button. The generation process can take a few minutes depending on the server load. Remember, this is a free service, so a little patience is key. While it's working, you can see a progress indicator. This is a great time to think about your next project or refine another prompt. The fact that you can queue up generations without worrying about credits is just incredible. And there we go, our video is ready. It's only a few seconds long, which is typical for current AI video tech, but it looks pretty impressive. The image has come to life exactly as we described. Now, let's talk about getting your creation off the platform. Once the video is generated, you'll see a download button. Clicking it should save the video file to your computer. However, this is where I ran into a small but important issue that you need to be aware of. After downloading the file, I tried to open it, but my computer said the file was corrupted or in an unsupported format. I was confused at first because it had a MP for file extension. After a bit of digging, I discovered the problem. The video file, despite being labeled as an MP4, is actually encoded in HEVC, which stands for High Efficiency Video Coding. This is a newer video compression standard that isn't universally supported by all media players or video editing software just yet. So, if you download a video from Step AI and it doesn't open, this is most likely the reason why. Don't panic. Your video isn't lost. So, what do you do if you have this HEVC file that won't play? The solution is simple. You need to convert it. There are many free online video converters available. Just search for HEVC to MP for converter, and you'll find dozens of websites that can do this for you. All you have to do is upload the file you downloaded from Step AI, select MP4 as the output format, and let the converter do its job. Once the conversion is complete, you can download the new file, and this one will be a true MP4 that you can play on any device and import into any editing software like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. It's an extra step, for sure, but it's a reliable fix that ensures you can actually use the amazing videos you're creating. It's a small price to pay for an otherwise completely free and unlimited service. So, to recap, Step AI is a fantastic new tool that offers unlimited AI video generation for free. You can sign up using a temporary phone number if your country isn't supported. The key to getting great results is to use a detailed prompt, and using ChatGPT to help you write it is a pro tip. And finally, if you have trouble opening your downloaded videos, just use a free online converter to change them from HEVC to a standard MP4 format. In my opinion, despite the minor hurdles of the sign-up and the file conversion, Step AI is an incredibly valuable resource for any content creator. The ability to experiment and create without limits is something we haven't seen before in this space. I highly encourage you to give it a try and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. And if you want more tips, tricks, and reviews on the latest AI tools for creators, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Have you tried Step AI, or do you know of any other great free AI tools? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.